Hello everyone, we're here exploring the virtual scanner games. Let's start with game 1. What is in an image? So clicking aim from the index, we see there's an interface. There are some shared components across all the games. For example, here you can navigate to other games easily. In the main screen, you have generally some displays you can see and some settings you can change. So to know what each of these is, you can open the lab menu here with the button. There are 3 components to the lab menu: instructions, definitions, and quiz. The instructions explain in detail each step you can do with the games. Of course, you can also go without instructions and try it for yourself, but these just provide step-by-step guideline. So for example, the first step asks us to run the image. So we run and it shows us the same image. After completing this step, you can check it off. And then the next step is asking us to try a different FOV. So what is FOV? The question marks here may help you with shorter form definitions. So for example, this explains what field of view or FOV is. You can also close it, and once we've changed this value and run again, you can see the image change according to that. And by experimenting with the parameters, you may be able to see what each of these means. So after you go through all the steps, you can keep checking them off. Of course, after you actually did it, there would be a task here which you cannot check off manually, but by answering the question here with an experiment, you'll be able to go to the next step. So here I'm gonna change FOV and see if I can get it to, yeah, so now we can see the image pretty well and it's satisfying the criterion. So similar things exist for each step, and after you complete the step, you can see that you now have earned 1 star. So completing all the steps will get you 3 stars, and the other part of this, the other 2 stars you can get by answering quiz questions. So by clicking quiz, this window will open and allow you to submit answers. The third part of the lab menu is definitions, which is if you want to do more reading on what each of the concepts is, this window will provide that. So that is for game 1, and please ask me any questions in the comment below.